You know, you might be a little like me. Sometimes when I look around in Photoshop, I see this item called Filter Gallery, and I click on it, and it's got filters there to, for all kinds of artsy fartsy things. And yeah, sometimes I play around with it, but I generally never use that. I just don't even know what they're for sometimes. Occasionally I'll use it for texturing, put a little bit of texture on a photo if I want to. But for the most part, no, I just look at it because truthfully, I don't know what they do because I've never really investigated it that much until now. Yep, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to investigate Photoshop's filter gallery. I put together a little show for you. I went through every filter in that gallery. I played with it, messed with it, and got it to where, something like I like on each one of them. There's 48 of them at my last count, and I've played with every one of them and with the same photograph, and I put together a little video for you. So maybe you want to look at it and see what those filters do. Now remember, there's a wide range of effects you can get with each filter. This is what you're going to see is just my idea what kind of looks good. Some of them, none of them look good to me, so I just kind of guessed. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys get something out of this. It wouldn't hurt to get in there if you're feeling artsy-fartsy one day. Anyway, so without anything else to say here, I'm going to just jump right into this little slideshow. I hope you guys kind of enjoy this. All right, maybe I'll be back. You never know. Let's go. A greater plowing snow on my road is what we're going to use for a sample in this video. Anyway, so to get to the filters, you simply go to the menu at the top left. You click on Filters and go down to Filter Gallery, and you'll have to reduce it down. When you come to this screen, you go down here in the lower left, just click on that little downward pointing arrow and click on Fit on Screen. And there you go. This is where we're starting. We're going to be starting right here, colored pencil, and just go through all of these. We'll go through every one of these that I'm clicking on right here. And I will show you samples of each one, giving you 10 seconds. Some of them take a little while to load, but they get there in under 10 seconds. You can always pause your video. All right, let's start right now. Hope you enjoy this.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow.
So there you have it. All 48 filters in the Photoshop filter gallery. Some of them aren't too bad and some of them are questionable. Remember though, you can manipulate those far more than what I have done here. It might be worth just going in there and playing around with it. Anyway, it was kind of fun doing that. It took me a while. So, what do you think? Shall we print one of those guys? What do you think about that? Shall we? Heck yeah, we're gonna print it. I'll be right back. So, it took me a while to figure out which one to print. Finally came to the decision though, and it came out pretty good for what it is. Let's look at it, shall we? All right, there it is. My Road Grader and Sumiat. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a Japanese word, so I can't pronounce it very well. But it came out pretty good. It was nice and colorful. Look at that. Is that colorful or what? I worked with it just a touch in Photoshop from what it was there and what you saw today on the little video. Not too much though. I brightened it up and brought out some colors a little bit. Not bad, huh? Yeah, actually it's almost, well, It's almost, we're hanging on the wall. I like it. All right, guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this today. Kind of different, but you got to have something different once in a while. All right. See you next time. Have a good week. Bye now.